One cold morning, a little bird saw a monkey shivering under a tree. The bird flew down and said, "You look cold." The monkey nodded. "I have no blanket." The bird thought for a moment and flew away. Soon she came back with soft leaves and small feathers. She gave them to the monkey and said, "This will help you stay warm." The monkey smiled. "Thank you, little bird." The next day, it started to rain. The little bird's nest got wet, and she had nowhere to go. Suddenly, the monkey called, "Come here." He shared his dry space with her. They both stayed warm and happy. Moral: when you help others, they will help you too.